Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Alex Builds. We have now got the Mike Lane heel and toe pads for the build of the Delorean. So yeah, we're doing the heel and toe pads. Let me show you them so you can understand a bit more what they are. So here we are, here's the heel and toe pads. In the actual real Delorean, I'll put a picture on the screen now. It had built-in mats, as you can see, just to stop the wear of the carpets where we push the pedals up and down. So yeah, that's what we're going to put in today, is these, because they were in the real Delorean. So let me take them out and we'll have a better look. So there we are, we've got both of these out of the packaging, and these are just going to be really easy to install, but it's going to add so much more detail back into the Delorean. So as you can see, these are quite easy to install, you just peel and stick. So let's get our Delorean down and get these installed. Right, okay, so we've got the Delorean in and we're going to be working down here. Just underneath this pedals is where this one is going to go. And then just up here on the center console piece, right by where the gas pedal is, that's where we're going to put the other bit. So let's get this one in first, this big square one. So we have to peel the back off. Now you can install these as soon as you've added the Mike Lane carpet. You can install these at any point. So we're going to go down, we're going to go right back to round about here. Let's get them in. Right back to where the curve is, I think, is where we're going to go. Just making sure I've got it straight, which I have. So I'm going to push that down, make that in there permanently. Now we just need to install this one. So let's get this one in. Right, so I've just pulled this cable just up and out the way, just so we can get a bit of better access in there. So we're going down here, and right by the gas pedal, just down here, is where we want to go with this. Which is about there. So there is perfect. So that's where we're going with that. So there you go. You can see a little bit better now. We've got the heel pad here and the toe pad just up here. Looking very cool, and as you can see from above, it does add a bit of detail back in there. Awesome mod, really easy to install. But that is what is on the actual carpet in the Delorean, is this one here. I believe for the Ecto 1, if you do have the Ecto 1 and you want to put the carpets in, these heel and toe pads, especially the heel pad, does come pre-installed on it. So that is very cool. So there you go, really cool way of ending the week with the Mike Lane mods. So yeah, I've got even more mods to go yet. So yeah, they ain't finished. So if you head on over to MikeLaneMods.com, as you can see on the screen now, it already has a massive catalogue of Build a Back to the Future Delorean upgrades and improvements. That's for the 1/6, 1/8, and also the Playmobil, as we see in a minute. He also does the carpets for the Ecto 1. He's got the train track coming, as well as the train hubcaps. As you can see on the screen now, he's got some upgrades to the Ecto 1 there as well, and the Playmobil Back to the Future Delorean on there as well. So make sure you head on over to MikeLaneMods.com and pick up your mod today. It's coming up tomorrow. We're going to have Build the Terminator issue 89. So make sure you join me for that. I think we're putting a bit more on the hip joint. So do make sure you go on over and check out Mike Lane Mods. I will leave the links down in the description down below. Just go down in there, click that, take you straight over there and look at it, and you'll see for yourself just how many and how awesome they are. So have a great weekend, guys. I'll see you tomorrow for Build the Terminator. If you like this video, please leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.